Look at that. Retired. So, here you are, retired. Proudly. Let me open. Here you are. Here you are, guys. It's pretty. U.S. Navy, retired. Proudly served. Mas maganda ito. It's better if it's in the center, right? But it at the side. For me, it's better the middle. And this one. And at the back, here you are, retired. And United States. It's pretty. I like it. It's embroidery. So, yan lang po. Thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching.